we had a road safety awareness action outside the Kamal College Gate with the Consumer Welfare Club of the Carmel High Secondary. And we were shocked to see the scenario here because we have been coming to this place so many times that there is no signage. Right outside the gate here, there is no zebra crossing, there is no candies also. See, I can understand that work was going on and all that, but I also found out that no board of the contractor, whoever is doing the work, this is work done with taxpayers' money, okay, sanctioned amount. So there has to be boards saying so and so is the contract, work order given by PWD or National Highway, whoever it is, PWD division, and date of commencement, date of completion, and emergency number. This is very important because what is happening today, as you know, Supreme Court orders have come in now that under section 198A of the amended Motor Vehicle Act, action will have to be taken against the contractor, consultant who are involved in this project. Because what is the Supreme Court has noted that many times these accidents are taking place, and the persons responsible for this situation, they are not brought on record. Particularly the tourists, because this is a time lots of tourists are moving on the road. This gives now somebody may say it's an internal road. Question of internal, external, bypass and all does not arise. This is very, very important, and I can understand that these thermoplast painting contracts are given to tenders, no doubt. But you have what we call emergency painting, that is using a stencil. You use a stencil, you paint the zebra crossing for a limited time. Okay, then you do the full painting. We have no question about that. Similarly, they have to put what you call emergency signages, which are displayable. Then you put the ones which are permanently fixed. So all these instructions are given in the tender and contracts. And today's action also students have seen, and they also have raised it that this road. What happens if you don't put the proper signages? People who are riding on this road, they do not get the right message, and therefore today suddenly people are turning. We also, when we came today, there is no board to say where you have to take the right turn and come this side. So you have to go forward and turn. Correct, no problem. But there should be proper signages. That is the urgency which is required.
The local buses, they don't maintain their buses. Secondly, they overcrowd the bus. Even there is a limit, and they keep the door open. And secondly, the streets, there are no cameras over there. The night is so unsafe over here. They're not even putting cameras and everything. Underage driving. They don't even wait. Not built proper, and they don't wait for the people to cross the road properly. They just go.
Zebra crossing.
Yeah.
There's no zebra crossing.
And some electric bikes, they don't even have helmets. When they
No license.
No license.
There's less speed.
This is not fair. And the second thing is I'm having an ISI helmet thing. So from my side, I think those helmets should not be sold in any of the showroom or any shop, because this ISI mark only we may know, or some men's, they may have idea about this, but the shopkeepers should know that they can't sell this ISI mark without ISI mark helmet. So from my side, it should be stopped by selling all those helmets.
Fake helmets. Fish market, but people are still sitting on the road and selling fish. No one sits inside. Those trucks move anyhow. People don't even stop. They just cross. Even when the vehicle is on, they jump on the ongoing vehicles, the trucks, and they remove the ice and everything over there only. And sometimes the trays are fallen in the middle of the
And
road.
it pollutes the area over there.
And they don't. Every day there is a rush. Today morning also there were 2 pickups. They go so slow and they park anywhere in the middle, on both the sides of the road they park. So there is no place for the ongoing vehicle to pass.
सो आमी आमच्या दिसपट्ट्या हितून भितर जायते ट्रॅफिक वायलेशन्स आमी नोटीस करता, आनी आमी आमचे कडच्यान आमी सुरवात करपाक जाय की आमी ट्रॅफिक रूल्स फॉलो करतले, आनी जे एक्सिडंट जाता ते एवॉयड करपाक आमी आदार करतले. पावट जे अंडर कन्स्ट्रक्शन चलता त्या जाग्यार सायनबोर्ड्स किंवा सेफ्टी मेजर्स जे घेतले वतना जेणे करून एक्सिडंट जावपाचें प्रमाण वाडटा. आणि गोवा कॅन आणि जाळवणदारांनी आमच्या ज्या नजरे काढून दिला. वी विल ब्रॉट इट द नोटीस ऑफ द राईट फोरम, दॅट इज द डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी, and ensure that henceforth all the measures will be taken care of.